Monster High gifted me this new RuPaul Dragon Queen doll. Let's unbox her and see what she looks like up close. For the people interested in the close-up detail shots of the PR box and doll box along with the extra items that come inside, I'll put those clips at the end. First, let's get into the doll. A few things to note about this collector doll is that she's 13.75 inches tall with 11 points of articulation. That's gonna make her perfect for posing and taking lots of cool pictures. She's wearing a black faux leather bodysuit with an overdress, and then you can slide these dragon wings onto her back. She also has this headdress, a necklace, a bracelet that says RuPaul, another bracelet with a black and white dragon on it, and then my favorite part of the outfit are her boots. They kind of resemble dragon claws, and I really like the scales on them. Here's a close-up of her face. If you pay attention to her contour, you can kind of see that they made it resemble dragon scales, so I thought that was really cool. She also has curly blonde hair that is super soft. If anyone's curious, here's a size comparison to other Monster High dolls. Here's the back of the box if you want to pause and read it. The inside of the PR box has 2 dragons. You also get a certificate of authenticity. My box also came with this print, and you can pause to read the back. It talks about what this doll means and how Mattel donated to protect homeless LGBTQ youth. And the last thing I received was this print, and I like that she's doing that face that RuPaul always makes. Let me know what you think and follow and save for more doll videos.